So it's in a browser, right? So this is an IE, right? We're also supported on Chrome and also Safari and Firefox.
Okay.
So basically, I just went full screen, right? It's ustream.tv/lounge. Okay. And basically, what happens is, we created an experience that was optimized for the big screen, right? So what does that mean from a design and interaction perspective? Design-wise, we wanted bigger buttons, larger fonts, darker colors that were good for the living room. Interactions, we wanted we wanted to preserve the full screen video experience, less clicks to get to certain functionality. So basically what we did was, if I click down, I get to the player controls. Right?
Okay.
So for this video, I can see the details for the show. I can also join and leave its crowd, basically.
Okay.
I can also share, so I can send out a Twitter message. So here we have a canned message so that there's less input, right? Because that's that's not conducive, right, in the living room and stuff. So I can click send and send out to my network. Same for Facebook, and then we also have chat, where I can basically I can send out a message here, so say hi, right? So hi, and then on the mobile device and also on the website, you would see the same message, and all the devices can talk to each other, basically.
Okay. So this is actually a stream that's being broadcast from the phone, but you're viewing it on the PC.
Exactly.
So that's the key. Okay.
Exactly. Yeah. So you can see that there's about like a 10-second delay.
Okay.
But otherwise, you can see it broadcasting here. And then the last thing is discovery. So what we have here is we have a list of live events sorted by popularity.
Okay.
So I can check these out. We also have recorded content. So these are previously recorded broadcasts. And the last thing is at the very lowest level we have categories.
Okay.
Right. It's categories that the same ones on our site. And the last thing is for upcoming. Basically what I can see here is a list of events that I'm attending, and also a list of events that are coming up. So I can say, for TEDx, let's say I want to attend. Okay, so now it's saved. So now on my mobile device or on the PC, I'm attending this event, and it's an RSVP.
So right now, this is this developed in HTML5?
So this one is actually built in Flash.
Okay, because I know you guys, you're a Flash company generally.
Yeah, we're also working with other. We also have a partnership with Panasonic.
Okay.
But this one is specifically built in Flash.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you looking to bring this to, I guess, any other platforms? Like Google TV would potentially be good for this. They have the camera and everything.
Yeah. So basically, this is a Flash-based interface. We've optimized it for Google TV and for Boxy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And you guys are partnered with Boxy, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're also, we announced a partnership yesterday.
I think
press
so.
Release.
So how does that work with Boxy? Because they don't really have camera support. It's just viewing, I guess.
Yes.
Just viewing.
For now, this is all viewing.
Okay.
It's all viewing. Yeah.
But potentially with Google TV, you could do broadcasting from your living room to the camera.
Yeah. If we work with Logitech and stuff, but yeah, that's still pretty early on for that. Right now, it's just a viewing experience.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's really cool though, because normally, I mean, you're stuck either following on your computer. People, people have followed shows on their phones. I know I do a podcast, and I know a lot of people listen from their phones. This is cool though. Yeah. This turns it basically into a TV show.
Yeah. It's pretty cool. Yeah, the chat functionality is pretty cool too. Actually, it's
awesome.
Being able to interact.
So can we take a look at the mobile app? And you have it on. You have one of the newer Verizon phones, right?
Yeah. So I have it here on the HTC Thunderbolt.
Okay.
And basically, so what we have here is our dashboard. We got 4 different sections. If I go to the featured section, I basically see the list of live, upcoming, and latest events.
Okay.
Right, so basically have some events. I've got the categories here. I've got quick actions. So for this event, I can watch, share, I can follow. So if I click share, I can use Android Intents, right?
Yeah.
And if I go back out, I can also see favorites, so which is basically a list of shows I'm following, as well as events I'm attending. So it's just a way for me to track my content. And the last thing is also, of course, broadcast. So we wanted to make it really accessible. So anywhere in the app on the header, there's a broadcast shortcut. But here it's our broadcast mode, location. We have a canned message. We want to try to encourage people to share their shows, so I can send out to Twitter. And then once I click start, it goes through. And we also have our we have poll, We also have share functionality here.
Okay.
And the last thing is we also have chat.
Okay, very cool. So, what's the performance you're seeing on the 4G devices versus the other stuff, versus 3G? Is it generally looking better? Like, are you guys finding, like, I guess on a technical level, are you finding it different to work with now?
Yeah, I mean it's a lot faster,
Yeah,
right?
that's
So
right.
we've done speed tests. I've seen anywhere between like 12 megabits per second down, and even today, even here, I think I was seeing like 7. So it's pretty.
I did a speed test on one of those at the Venetian. It was getting like 17 megabits down.
Wow, yeah.
Which was consistently. So
yeah,
it's pretty cool.
The last thing too is also not just the speed, but the quality.
Yeah.
So on the Verizon specific build over the 4G LTE network, we're doing WVGA, so about 800 to 480. Whereas traditionally we did QVGA and stuff.
That's cool. And latency is better on 4G, right? A lot of
we've seen it slimmed down. It's about 10 seconds right now.
Okay.
It depends on the network, but on average about 10 seconds.
Very cool. All right, thank you.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.